Hello all, welcome to the day 63 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 10. The question goes like this. Read the following text carefully and answer the questions that follow. Circles play an important role in our life. When a circular object is hung on the wall with a cord at the nail N, the chords NA and NB work like tangents. Observe the figure. Given that angle ANO is equal to 30 degrees and OA is equal to 5 centimeter. Here NA, NB and AB are the chords. Angle ANO is 30 degree. OA is 5 centimeter. That is the radius is 5 centimeter. So OB is also 5 centimeter. N is an external point. NA and NB are the two tangents from N which touches the circle at the points A and B. Question 1. Find the distance AN. To get the distance AN, let's consider the triangle AON. O is the center of the circle, AN is the tangent. Therefore, angle OAN is 90 degree. The reason being, radius is perpendicular to the tangent at the point of contact. In this triangle, we have one angle and one side. Tan 30 is OA upon AN. 1 upon root 3 is equal to OA is 5, 5 upon AN. So AN is 5 root 3 centimeter. Question 2. Find the measure of angle AOB. The angles at A and B are 90 degree each, and the angle at N, that is a part of the angle has been given. The line from the center to N bisects that angle at N. Angle ANO is 30. Angle ANB is equal to 2 times angle ANO, which is 60 degree. Considering the quadrilateral AOBN, angle AOB plus angle OAN plus angle OBN plus angle ANB is equal to 360. By the angle sum property of quadrilaterals, angle AOB is what we want. OAN is 90, OBN is also 90, and ANB is 60 degree. So angle AOB is 120 degree. Question 3. Find the total length of the chords NA, NB and the chord AB. We have calculated the length of the chord NA in the first subdivision. NA is 5 root 3 centimeter. NB and NA are equal in length. Therefore, NB is also 5 root 3 centimeter. Let's consider that small triangle AOM. Angle OMA is 90 degree. So that triangle AOM is right angled. The line segment OM bisects the angle AOB. Therefore, angle AOM is 120 upon 2, which is 60 degree. We have one angle and one side. We can calculate AM using sine ratio. Sine 60 equal to AM upon OA. Sine 60 is root 3 upon 2. And AM is what we have to find out. OA is 5. AM is 5 root 3 upon 2. Line segment OM bisects the chord AB. Therefore, AB is twice of AM, which is 2 times 5 root 3 upon 2. So, AB is 5 root 3 centimeter. So, now we have all the three quantities NA, NB and AB. The sum of all these 5 root 3 plus 5 root 3 plus 5 root 3, which is 15 root 3 centimeter. The R part of the third question, if angle ANO is 45 degree, then name the type of the quadrilateral OANB. Justify your answer. ANO, so this is that angle. If this is 45, then the total angle A and B is a double of this. So the angle at N will become 90. So this angle will become 90. If that angle becomes 90, then the other angle AOB will also become 90. The angles at A and B are also 90. So every corner in this shape is 90 degree. So either it could be a rectangle or a square. OA and OB are radii and they are adjacent sides in this quadrilateral. The adjacent sides are becoming equal, so the quadrilateral is a square. ANO is 45 degree. Angle ANB is twice angle ANO, which is 2 times 45, which is 90. Reason ON bisects angle ANB. Angle AOB plus angle ANB is 180. Angle AOB plus 90 is 180. So angle AOB is 90 degree. And the angles at A and B, that is OAN and OBN, they are also 90 degree. So this implies each corner of the quadrilateral OABN is 90 degree. Also, OA is equal to OB is equal to 5 centimeter. OA and OB are adjacent sides. Therefore, quadrilateral OABN is a square. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.